Hello, I'm Brett Knowles. In this quick video, I'm going to try to touch on two things. First, what are the 5 best practices that we have seen in organizations that have successful journeys underway towards true sustainability? And secondly, what are the benefits in it for them and, of course, potentially for you? So first, I want to touch on what is true sustainability. Sustainability is what we used to call the triple bottom line. To me, that reminds me of the accounting world. I'm more interested in strategic success, and so we call it the triple top line. What does your organization or business need to do to be viable as a business, economic success, provide the right contribution and support to society and your environment? And to do that, there are 5 key things that we have seen organizations have been great at doing. First, they translate that strategy, both around society and environment and also their business, what we call a sustainability strategy, into operational terms. They then make sure the organization is aligned against and toward those goals. Then everyone understands that their daily job involves the continuous journey towards sustainability. And then they enable that. They make sustainability a continual process. And then finally, they mobilize sustainability through their executive leadership actions. Let's step through these. So, translating sustainability into operational terms is all about how we describe sustainability in a way that people understand it and make sure it's communicated the same way to all your diverse stakeholders, whether they be customers, board members, leadership, employees, regulators. And we've seen that successful organizations use what's called a sustainability strategy map. And that describes their sustainability and allows them for ongoing monitoring. So we see the sustainability strategy map with their performance indicators on it. And they can restate that same information through a number of different contexts, whether it is the UN Sustainable Development Goals, B Corp, GRI, even things like the Baldrige. And so we can hit those diverse stakeholders easily. Secondly, aligning the organization to sustainability is all about making sure that all of our processes and projects, the activities we do, are lined up with that consistent view about sustainability. In our world, we use what's called an ontology that links those strategic goals against each function. It's simple. We just list the strategic goals down the left from your sustainability strategy map, and across the top your core activities, and we can score their impact and identify where the key touch points are and in fact how important each process is. If we added measures onto that, we begin to get a true sustainability dashboard that makes sure that we are aligned across the organization, both by functional area and by sustainability strategic goal. The third is making sustainability everyone's everyday job. So the successful organizations that we've seen ensure that everyone understands what sustainability is and understands what their purpose is towards achieving that sustainable goal. So imagine if every person could understand what they've done every day, every week, every month, or their team or their department towards sustainability. What if you could share this with your friends, your family, so that they all know what you have done towards sustainability? That's how sustainability becomes everyone's everyday job. Then, making sustainability a continual process. See, here's the thing. Most of the sustainability frameworks that are out there, like B Corp, GRI, IR, etc., are end-of-year checklists. But the problem is this. Your team is making decisions day to day which impact sustainability. And those impacts are felt instantly. Not at the end of the year where you conduct your risk audits, your regulatory filings, or sustainability reviews. So, what do we need to do? We need to make sure that sustainability activities are linked to your budget's compensation reporting, and we see that at the drumbeat of your business, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. And it's made accessible whether you're on site or remote, and whether you're at your desktop or on the road. Finally, mobilizing sustainability through executive leadership. So, sustainability becomes part of the governance of your organization. It's how we do strategic planning and strategic management. It's how you do continual improvement and compensation. You can almost think of this as implementing a new operating system, one where the organization's aligned, mobilized, and individuals are empowered to create that sustainable organization. What this calls for is creating a vision for that super long-term goal around true sustainability, and then backcasting it to what can be done this quarter, next quarter, and later. So in this way, we've helped organizations determine what does true sustainability look like and what they can do to achieve success.